I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the JisuLife Fan Ultra2. It is a 3-in-1 device that is a flashlight, a fan, and a power bank. Let's have a look. Included in the packaging is some great accessories. You get the nozzle, you get a brush here to clean your devices, as well as a magnetic brush. When it comes to actually putting these accessories onto this, it's super easy. It's just a magnetic connection, very easy and very simple to do. So if you want to clean your keyboard, or if you want to clean out a speaker grill on a phone, or whatever it is, this is a great solution to do that. One of the features I really like about the way this works is it does have an LED screen here that shows you the percentage of the power. So this one, in this case, is 61% charged. And then that same LED screen will give you the actual amount of speed being produced by the fan. So if I click it, it'll just go ahead and start running. And if I turn up the nozzle, you can hear the sound of the speed of that fan going faster and faster until we're almost at 100%. Ooh, that's some loud noise. And then just with one button, it shuts off right away. Very easy to use, very intuitive. When we're ready to go ahead and clean something using this fan, so blowing out the dust that's in a piece of electronics, it's very easy to do. We go ahead, we'll put the nozzle on, and we'll turn it on. And just like that, it's blowing. And now we can use the fan and adjust the speed to be whatever we need to blow out anything we want. And of course, if we're going to use something like the keyboard here, we can use the magnetic brush with the keyboard. So it's super easy to clean it again. And this will blow out the dust, and you'll be able to clean it out at the same time. Very easy to do. Very simple solution to cleaning your electronics, or other products for that matter. Because this is a 3-in-1, with just a single click we can turn the light on, and we can change the intensity very easily just by clicking on the button. Or if we do it a 4th time, we get the emergency light motion. And then of course, when we are ready to use it as a power bank to recharge some of your devices, there's a USB-C port right here. And by the way, this is the same port that you use to charge the device, so you can charge or charge other devices from this one port. Very easy to use, very simple. Because this is a fan and air flows through it, you have the intake area here that can be cleaned if needed. So whether dust or debris gets stuck in here, these 2 screws can come out and you can easily take it apart so you can clean the inside of this fan, which is just a great feature. This fan is definitely powerful, and I don't think you can get a sense of it on a video, of course, but I'm going to put it up to 100% so you guys can at least hear what it sounds like when it's at 100%. It really is quite powerful, and I think for most people, a fan like this will do a great job in cleaning out any of their electronics, even in your house, around the house, and in your car, of course, to get dust out of everything. Plus the fact that it has that built-in light, and the fact that it is a USB-C charger. This is a great little device, a great gadget to have around. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.